Oh, bet. Yeah, I'll bet you. I'll bet you my glasses. I bet you a puppy. Hi, Gohan. You might be giving away today. Shoot, I'll even bet you this liquid turmeric, which is great for inflammation. That means like you got swollen joints when you get old and stuff. You know. Yeah, what you willing to bet? Go ahead, roll that dice. Woo! Let's get ready for Bola Factor. Objective. Today I will work with all math operations so that I can add, subtract, multiply, and divide with 3 numbers. I know I have it when I knock down my number pins in Bola Factor. Rules. Rule number 1. Roll the die 3 times and record the numbers. Rule number 2. Add, subtract, multiply, or divide with those 3 numbers. Rule number 3. Your answer is the pin you knock down. Rule number 4. No repeats with numbers. Rule number 5. Keep bowling until you cannot knock down any more pins. Material you will need: paper, pencil, 1 die, and 4 is optional, a friend to bowl against. They would have to roll their own numbers. Forever alone. Let's go ahead and roll the dice. We got ourselves a 6. We got ourselves a 4. And the last one, we got ourselves a 5. Alright, let's go ahead and start off by recording the numbers. And now, let's draw our pins. Now, just like bowling, we're going to set up our pins. After we're done drawing our pins, we're going to put in the numbers 1 through 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I can only use addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Alright, here we go. I could do 6 plus 4 divided by 5. Well, 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. You knock down pin number 2. Let's try 6 minus 4 plus 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. I just knocked down pin number 7. One. Let's try 6 plus 5 minus 4. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. Uh-oh, I repeated. I cannot use that. Again. Okay, how about 5 plus 4 minus 6? 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. Alright, make Mama proud. I just knocked down pin number 3. Let's try 6 minus 4 times 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Alright, I knocked down pin number 10.
Get some!
So I have 6 plus 4 minus 5 equals 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. I just knocked down pin number 5. Let's try 5 minus 4 times 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 times 6 is 6. I just knocked down 6.
Can't stop. Won't stop.
6 minus 5 times 4. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. I just knocked down 4.
Bye-bye.
Now, this is what you cannot do. 6 plus 4 minus 4. Okay? Repeating numbers. I cannot repeat numbers. Okay? And I just go and knock down as many pins as I can until I cannot anymore. Alright, you give it a shot.